Alright, so this is my 76 kz900 I picked up from Craigslist a couple of I don't know, a couple of months ago, probably 5-6 months ago. Don't really remember, but as you can see, it's all together pretty much, and I'm about to crank it. I mean, I've already started it once, and it started right up, idles and all. So it's a matter of just getting the tank on, and also I need to put that front disc brake on there. So there's still a little bit of work to do, but the major part of it, of the restore, is pretty much done. You can see, so let's see. Should crank right up. There you go, it cranks right up, runs pretty smooth. There at the end, the only reason that the idle went up was because I got that, I got the gas off. So if I would have turned it on, it would have leveled back down and idle, the way it should. But as I'm about to get done here with working on it, I was just trying to waste as much gas out of the bows. And but there you go. This is part 2. Got it together and got it turned on, and part 3 will hopefully be where actually it's all together, and probably except for the paint. Normally I don't do the paint till later, so till next time. Thanks.